This is BentheEVguy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
Alright, this is MModified with another product review for 60 seconds. Today we're going to highlight the dash cam. I have a rear mount, as you can see here. This actually gets routed through the pillars alongside here, down the seams, through that channel, all the way to the front. The brand I'm using is Thinkware, and up and over and through. You can see where my front camera is, right there. I also mounted a backup battery right here. It's actually just Velcro, and it goes right behind the glove box, so you can barely see it. I actually have very little experience with Thinkware, but great review so far. Seamless. Is it a must-have? Until Ford activates their system, I think it is. Hopefully you find this useful. I'm sure it works with any other brand. Happy holidays.